Today I'm making for you a brand new recipe. This is my Thyme soup. All right, it's absolutely delicious. I'm going to be demonstrating with the brand new Vitamix Ascent Series 3500i blender. This is my brand new favorite blender. It's absolutely amazing. Looks super stylish too in the kitchen. All right, so let's start off. I'm going to start with 2 cups of water, filtered water. In it goes. So I've got some nice Roma tomatoes here, okay? Tomatoes are a powerhouse of energy, really good for you, packed with lycopene, a good cancer fighter, okay? So throw in 4 of those. I'll save this one for the end. I'm gonna put in a whole carrot. I wash my veggies, I don't peel them. So we get that whole nutrition. Throw it in like that. You don't have to worry about peeling it. I've got some onion. Notice I use the, what are they called? The roots. Throw them in as well. Some nice spring onion. I'm gonna put in some capsicum. All right, give it that beautiful flavor. I'm gonna use the green part, the part we usually throw away. Lots of good nutrition in there. I've got some sun-dried tomatoes, okay? So really hitting that tomato flavor. I've drained the oil out, and I'm gonna use a little bit of tomato paste as well, just 1 tablespoon. I really want to pack that soup full of tomato goodness. Delicious. Some almonds, okay? So just basically to cream it up, I'm just making like an almond milk there with the water. So that'll be really nice. And I've got some little bit of flavor, some herbs, some oregano, and Thyme soup. We've got some beautiful fresh thyme. Thyme's actually a medicinal herb, really good for you. It's great for coughing, bronchitis, and it's a really good mood booster as well. Okay, so we'll put some of that in. Got some chia seeds, some omega-3s, some good oils for you there, and a little bit of salt, a crack of salt. I'm using a Himalayan rock salt, and some pepper as well. It's a good crack of pepper in there. Garlic, I forgot the garlic. Skin and all, don't have to worry about peeling it. Vegetarian stock cube, don't have to worry about peeling it. No, just joking. Heard that joke a million times, never gets old, does it? No nutritional content in the wrapper, throw that away. And I think that looks pretty good to me. How's that look to you? All right, let's lock our lid into place. So I really like this new lid because I can see through it. All right, and it clips into place, okay? So you know it's locked in place. I'm gonna put it on our soup setting. So I actually have a soup setting. I can set it, I can forget it, go away, come back, and my soup will be finished, all right? So it's gonna run for about 5 or 6 minutes. It's actually gonna get hot using friction. So purely from the frictional energy coming off the blade, it's gonna boil cold water in 8 minutes, all right? It's pretty amazing when you think about it. So we're gonna have a hot soup ready in about 5 or 6 minutes. Away we go. That is it. Soup is finished. Took about 5 or 6 minutes, automatically turns off for me. Look at that beautiful color. You can feel the heat coming out of here, okay? So we'll take the lid off here. Cold water, raw vegetables, 5 minutes. Look at that, steaming hot soup. Absolutely delicious. Smells amazing. Try some of that. Actually, what I might do, if you like a chunky style soup, at this stage you can chop anything through it you like. I'm going to chop a little bit more tomato, just on a slow speed. Make sure your lid's on the right way. Clicks in place, and just on manual, just on slow speed, just to chop that through. Just for a couple of seconds, gives me a bit of a chunky style soup. That's it. Right, we'll serve out some of that. Absolutely beautiful, so thick and creamy. Look at that. I'm just gonna garnish that with a little bit of olive oil, some thyme, and that's it. Let's try some of that. That is really hot. So good. You're gonna love this recipe. Happy blending.